Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers. This is Hello to World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do tag create in a video file on Windows. So for this case we will go to any kinds of file. So here are the things. So here are the movie.mp4. Let's check again. It is a video. The things. So close it and now I will do the things. So what? Here the right button, click and the properties, or we can do from the keyboard alt plus enter. See, now I will do any kinds of title that I have been copy, and now subtitle, see rating, see comments, see again the things, paste. This is the tag settings, that is the tag settings. See, now I will, it is this rating set, apply. Why it is not working again? I will do this thing. Apply. Oh, this has been lots of file. So let's take again short more tags, or we can do the properties. See, the tag has not been added. Again I have given okay. Now again check. Sorry, this is the properties. See, now it has been checked. So okay, so in this way we can do these things. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.